My name is Craig Hell, and I'm an interior decorator, and I'm helping expertvillage.com today talk about ways to decorate your walls and different types of objects to decorate with, and also how to even arrange it on your wall. So you found your big piece of artwork. This time it's a inexpensive museum print, $25 max. Framed it myself, probably another $25 plus the glass, which isn't going to cost you too terribly much. But you've hung it up here, and you're looking at it, and something is just not really right. There's too much negative space on either side of your print. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your pencil, your tape measure, and nails, and you're going to hang items on either side to fill in the negative space around this print. So the easiest thing to do is, I'm a big fan of eyeballing. So what you want to do is you want to kind of sort of hold it back, step back and look, have it centered have the center of this wall sconce in between the top and bottom of the print. Mark the very tip top of it, and then taking your ruler, measure from the top of the sconce down to the top of the hole for the nail, and that's 8¼ inches. Good luck finding your spot again. There it is. 8¼ inches marked on the wall. Now, since these aren't very heavy, you don't really need super big nails. So I'm going to just take these little bitty guys, pound them into the wall, maybe. And then hopefully, there, oh God, that was easy. It went on the first time. So then basically you're going to repeat this on the other side, hanging the two sconces to fill up your negative space on the wall.